Hi, this is Redmi 12 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first open the settings, then scroll down to the additional settings and tap to gesture shortcuts. To launch camera by double press to the power key button. You could use the switcher, click on it, tap to because now we have selected here to turn on torch by double press to power key, so you could turn it off, or also if you just want to use the torch from double press to power key button, you should click on the switcher. And just to launch camera, tap on the switcher now and let's press twice to the power key, so we could see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.